It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. A cape! I have a cape. If I have a cape, I must have a superpower. Everyone knows that. Maybe I have super strength. Watch me lift the couch over my head. 1, 2. You're going to hurt yourself. I must be able to turn invisible. Swoosh! You can't see me. Yes, I can. I can fly! Please don't jump on the couch. I can probably read minds. Think of something, and I'll tell you what you're thinking about. A cape? No. A jetpack? No. A cookie as big as a house? No. Are you using some kind of force field to block my powers? No. Prepare to be frozen by my super freeze blast breath. Did you brush your teeth today, young man? Watch me run faster than a jet-powered cheetah wearing turbo rocket sneakers. No running in the house. But I have a cape. I must have some kind of superpower. Well, you have a super powerful imagination. Not everybody has that. Yeah, that's right. Do you know what I'm imagining now? No, what? And that was a cape.